Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to come with the topic why Kundli matching is necessary before marriage. Ganesha says the Kundli is the birth chart of every person. This indicates the person's life journey and this will help you to guide your life and work on it. The Kundli especially helps in marriage for every person. In the Hindu tradition, there is a great importance of Kundli which helps you in making worth and life. While getting married, it is said that it is important to try Kundli matching first. It gives the idea about the planetary system between the two people. How will it work in their marriage? What will be the ups and downs of all these things that help by matching the Kundli? Why is it necessary to match horoscopes? Marriage is a very important thing in each person's life, but how the marriage will work, what will be the problems they might face in the marriage, all these things are indicated in the horoscope. Both sides of the family always insist on matching kundlis, first girl and boy, before the marriage for the idea about the love and married life between these two people, and if there is any way then they can overcome it. In many cases, it is proved that marriage without matching the kundli might have faced some problems or issues in life, and even the marriage where there are issues in kundli matchmaking. Take astrology phone consultation which helps you to guide in life about the upcoming marriage and helps you to take the precautions before the marriage for the betterment in married life. The effectiveness of Kundli. In everyone's life, their horoscope is made by their birth. If you don't have, you can make it. But it is very important. There are many things that will sort you out for life when you have Kundli with you. This will guide you in life about the upcoming things you will face and how you can avoid them or restrict them from your life. But apart from everything, the Kundli is mostly used nowadays for marriage decisions. It immensely helps in choosing the partner and to know about the future of bride and groom by seeing the planets' structure in the horoscope. The horoscope gives the idea about the planet system and their direction and transitions of planets, moon and sun in that person's birth chart. The marriage prediction by date of birth is the most essential way of work of Kundli for marriage. By knowing the date of birth, the expert will guide you that what you need to do. This helps in knowing about what the future holds for all these people. If the love or arranged marriage will be successful or not, and if there are any issues, how can you overcome it to make your married life happily forever. The solutions which can be given and which are given by the horoscopes. When there are some issues in the horoscope of girl and boy to whom they wish to get married, there are some solutions which help a person to get a happy married life without any problems. We suggest some prayers, rituals, stones and other things to wear which you can follow to overcome the dosh of the kundli and have a successful married life in the future. By doing this, you will have the perfect, tension free and peaceful married life in the future. Astrology always plays great importance in each person's life, and for the marriage never neglect the kundli match making. It can give hard time if you don't follow the kundli ideas. So it is better to work on these things for a long and a happy married life. To sum up, in closing, I can conclude that astrology gives us kundli which guides us through life and more importantly in married life. By the proper guidance and remedies for married life, you can make your married life happier, peaceful, and full of love for the longest run in your life without any major issues or problems. So I am sure if you are going to get married, whether it's a love marriage or it's an arranged marriage, you should go for the proper matchmaking. And I assure you, if there are any problems, we will give you the best solutions. And yes, importantly, you will be able to live a happy married life. Ganesha and all the energies always blesses you with good health and eternal happiness. Always, always stay happy, stay positive. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.